Alright, usually try to find some original Stanley lights, but they're getting harder and harder to come by in fairly good condition. So these ones, pick these up off a Rock Auto, DEPO, Auto Lamp, Taiwan, top 20 global brands company. We'll see. Yeah, if I can see what shape these are in. Oh, that's gnarly. I don't know about this. Let's see if I can get it out here. I mean, they had the lights in them and stuff and that, but yeah, like that casting there, all sort of. I mean, I know there's like usually a sort of a lump there or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, that's just sort of rough. Not terrible, but yeah. Also, it's hard to tell. I don't know, maybe they don't. Maybe they just look like they do. I'm thinking like the division between the bright and the regular light. It seems like that piece in there sticks out more on stock, divides more. But maybe it doesn't. Maybe I'm just thinking that. Let's see if I can take a look here real quick. Oh, I guess it doesn't. It's just seems more prominent in there. Maybe it's just because it's like all the little reflective stuff in it is faded off, so it's more visible. Yeah, made in 2022. I mean, everything looks about right. Let's see. The lines, I don't know. Like here, it seems, you can see these lines seem a lot softer than the Stanley. It's like, see how nice and crisp those are in comparison to, yes, it's definitely, they molded one that was maybe a little worn down already. Yeah, we'll see what the actual light on them is. Can't remember what I paid for these. I think they were like 100 something each. Yeah, with bulbs, made in Taiwan. Here's if that's of any interest to anybody, and here's some more numbers there. No, there is a little drain tube in there for moisture. I wonder if that's a preemptive. I don't recall seeing that. Maybe I just haven't looked. I don't recall that on the original ones. Maybe it's there, and I just have not paid any attention. Anyway, yeah, we'll see how these go. They look all right. Like I said, the lines in the glass, not the greatest, not as sharp as I would hope, but we'll see what the light is coming off of them, and if it's horrible, I will ship them back.